Mapo Tofu is a popular Chinese dish from Sichuan province, where spicy food is king and the signature spice of the region, the Sichuan peppercorn, gives dishes a unique numbing effect. For Mapo Tofu, the signature spice, the Sichuan peppercorn, takes center stage, imparting not just fragrance and flavor but a unique numbing effect that intensifies the heat. It's an exquisite dance of sensations that elevates this classic to extraordinary heights. Now, let's dive into the heart of this recipe for traditional and authentic Sichuan Mapo Tofu. Picture this: soft cubes of silken tofu, flavorful bits of ground pork, scallions, and the undeniable presence of Sichuan peppercorns, all enveloped in a spicy sauce that's nothing short of culinary magic. Let the culinary adventure begin. Start by chopping our Asian trinity: 3 large cloves of garlic, 2 ounces of ginger, and 3 green onions. Add a chili for those who crave an extra kick of spice, totally optional but highly recommended for fellow spice enthusiasts like myself. Now, prepare the enchanting sauce that will bring this dish to life. In a small mixing bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of tabanjong, 1 tablespoon of vegetarian oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, optional, 1 tablespoon of black vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar or agave nectar. Set this flavor elixir aside, it's the secret to the dish's depth. Next, take a block of silken tofu, drain all the liquid, and cut it into 3/4 inch cubes. Now, heat a cast iron wok over medium heat, add cooking oil, chili oil, garlic, ginger, chili, and green onions. Let the kitchen fill with the aromatic dance of these ingredients for about a minute. Then introduce 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn powder, a game changer in this symphony of flavors. Bring in your protein of choice: ground pork, beef, chicken, lamb, turkey, crumbled tofu, mushrooms, or plant-based meat, letting it cook until fully done. Now, it's time to pour in the sauce mixture and stir-fry everything together for another 2 to 3 minutes. Aromas intertwine, flavors intensify, and the kitchen becomes a haven of culinary delight. Pour in 2 cups of chicken or veggie stock, deglazing the wok's bottom. Add the cubed tofu, stirring carefully to maintain its square shape. Bring it all to a gentle boil. Meanwhile, create a slurry of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Pour this into the boiling Mapo tofu base while stirring delicately. This step is crucial, as the cornstarch mixture works its thickening magic exactly where it's needed. Garnish your creation with chopped green onions and an extra sprinkle of Sichuan peppercorn powder. Serve this culinary masterpiece with warm cooked rice, and let the symphony of flavors unfold on your palate. Mapo Tofu, where tradition meets innovation, and every bite tells a tale of Sichuan's rich culinary heritage. Get ready to savor the extraordinary.